Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to cancel Revolut Premium plan. So let's get started. Number 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone and log into your account. Number 2. Go to account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account tab at the bottom of the screen. Number 3. Select plans. Scroll down and select plans or subscription to view your current plan details. Number 4. Choose premium plan. Find the premium plan in the list and tap on it to access more options. Number 5. Select cancel subscription. Look for the option to cancel subscription and tap on it. Follow any prompts that appear. Number 6. Confirm cancellation. Review the cancellation details and confirm your decision to cancel the premium plan. Your subscription will be cancelled and you will revert to the standard plan at the end of your billing cycle. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.